Expressing ideas and feelings is what art is all about. Making art is fun, but you also need the discipline to be an effective artist. These 8 habits help artists to become more successful. You can use them too to help you grow as an artist.
All right, we have made it to number 8, express. So the artist habit of mine or studio habit of mine is express. Okay, the goal says, I can explain how my art or the art makes me feel and why. So we're going to start right off with station A. Create a piece of art that represents a feeling. Okay, station A, emotional me, says get 1 sheet of paper and randomly select a card. So we have a little Gerber baby food container here. You are going to choose and you're going to select an emotion. Okay, that emotion, you are going to write the name of it on your paper. You can fold it up and put it back inside the container. Okay, so I have the word sad, and it says to write or list 5 different things I think about when reading the word. So I might think about even a color, okay? Remember that we're creating a piece of art. So when I'm sad, another term for that is feeling blue. Sometimes when I'm sad, I think of rainy days. I might feel down, gray, okay? Maybe a little bit hurt, okay? Once you have those 5 things, I want you guys to brainstorm a little bit about what you're going to create, or you can honestly just channel into that feeling and use the materials available to just start creating. So if I started with blue, I may get a blue material, okay, and start to show, okay, I had rain, maybe I also think of tears. You can always add something, but you're using those words and ideas to really create that emotional piece of artwork. Station B is responding to prompts. So you need a piece of paper and you need to, again, you're just going to grab something out of the container. You're going to read your card carefully and begin to write or draw anything that comes to mind. Okay, does this spark a memory? Does it make you feel a certain way? So this says being a rock singer. So as you can see here, I'm starting to put down a couple thoughts that come to mind, a couple images that come to mind. Maybe I draw the things, okay, that I have written down, get some sketches going. I'm brainstorming some ideas using the artist habits of mine that we've been practicing. And then I'm going to combine all of this on the other side to create a piece of artwork that responds to that prompt that I was given. Station C, story time. Okay, so we need a piece of paper and a piece of artwork from the container. For this assignment, you guys are going to be coming up with a story about the artwork that you see. So in order to do that, again, we really have to observe and look closely at everything around. When I first looked at this, I only saw the tree, and then I looked closely and I realized that there is a man down here with a really bright hat. Okay, I might want to look at the details and the title. Maybe I'll get some ideas about what the artist was trying to convey in the picture. But you want to then move on to your paper. If you want to jot down some ideas or things that you notice, you can do that before actually writing your story. There are 3 parts to this assignment. So A, you're going to have to respond to the prompt. It says, if this artwork is the beginning of a story, what might happen next? So you're going to look at that and picture this the beginning of something. What's going to happen next? Is he going to climb the tree? Is he going to run away? Is he going to take a nap in the field? What's going to happen? Once you finish with A, you're going to move on to B. It says, if this artwork is in the middle of the story, what might have happened before? Why is the man standing there? What might be about to happen? And if you finish with both of those and you still have time, you can move on to C. If this artwork is the end of a story, what might the story be? Okay, once you're all finished, it goes inside your folder. Okay, this very last station, Station D, is all about me, okay, or all about you. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a student interest survey, which is over at the worksheet station. And you guys are going to write or draw your answers inside the spaces. So you just have to respond to all the questions in here. You could draw a picture of what you like to do in your free time, or you can write it down. This is all just about you and expressing who you are. Okay, once this is finished, we're going to go back to our Studio Habits of Mind packet. So the prompts you guys have to respond to today, there are 2 of them. One says, I wanted to show that, so explain a little bit about what you were trying to express in one of your pieces of artwork today or in a story. And at the bottom it says, this piece is important to me because. So you're going to choose one of the works that you did today and explain why it's important. What was the meaning behind it? Once you're done, inside the folder, in the table folder, you guys did an awesome job with this assignment.